Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to split a cell horizontally in Google Sheets, which is a bit of a secret trick since Google Sheets doesn't have a single split cell button like a word processor. Let's get into it. First, identify and select the merged cell. In Google Sheets, a horizontally split cell is usually just a set of individual rows that were merged together. To split them back, you first need to select the right target. Click on the large cell that you want to split. You can tell a cell is merged if it spans across multiple row lines. For example, if one cell covers the space of rows 2, 3, and 4. When you click it, a blue border will highlight the entire area. Next, use the Unmerge button. Once the cell is selected, you can use the toolbar shortcut to break it apart instantly. Look at the top toolbar and find the Merge icon. It looks like two arrows pointing at each other inside a box. If the cell is currently merged, the icon will be highlighted or active. Click the down arrow next to it and select Unmerge. The large cell will instantly snap back into its original individual rows, with the rows beneath it left empty. Lastly, redistribute your data. When you unmerge a cell, Google Sheets keeps the original text in the topmost row, leaving the rows beneath it empty. Click the top cell where your text is now sitting. If you wanted that text to be split into separate pieces across those rows, you will now need to manually cut and paste the info into the newly enablable blank rows. To keep things looking clean, highlight the area again and use the Borders tool to reapply grid lines, as unmerging can sometimes leave the borders looking a bit blank. And that's pretty much it. To split a cell horizontally, simply select the merged cell, click the Merge icon in the toolbar, and select Unmerge. Your data will stay in the top row, while the space below is instantly restored into individual, usable rows for your other data. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.